Hey everyone, it's Addison here again with another GitBook tip for you. Today we're going to explore the GitBook editor and look at how easy it is to collaborate on product documentation with your entire team. If you have any docs published in GitBook, anytime you want to make a change, you will start by creating what's called a change request. You can think of a change request like a pull request for your docs. It allows you to propose edits without touching anything that's fully live. Here you can leave comments, suggest improvements, work with your team, and there's a whole review process as well. Any changes that you make, you can view inside of the Changes tab. You can also see a preview of what your docs are going to look like after the changes are merged. And once you're ready for everything to go live, you can simply hit the Merge button and it will go live right away. You can also take a look at the other options. You can request a review if you are working with a larger team and you want to have a little bit more back and forth with them on the changes that you're preparing. And you can also take a look at the new merge rules as well, which are things that you can set different rules for the docs that need to pass in order for you to merge any changes in.